Welcome to Harvest 2025. Let's do this. Plan of harvest. This week we are cutting silage. So let's cut to it. Ready? I'll do a little transition and then we'll be on the field watching Mark cut the grass. Ready? Let's go. Tell me that was the worst transition without telling me that was the worst transition you've ever seen. So you cut around the edges a couple of times and then he goes straight through the middle. So he's done the edges. So he's done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7. And now we're going through the middle. Oh yeah.